Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to spell test in Google Ads. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply type in the Chrome, and once you're in the Chrome you have to just simply type in the Google Ads from there. And once you're in the Google Ads, you have to choose the first option from here, and here we'll get the option of sign in or the start now, and choose that, add to your preferences. And then what the next step is, it will simply take you to this overview button, and from here you have to just simply click on the campaigns option from the left hand side and just choose the campaigns, and here you will get all the options. And from here you have to choose the experiments option from the below. In the here you can see the experiments option, just simply click on it. And after that you have to just simply go to the custom experiments option from here, and then you have to just simply click on the plus icon from here. And once you click on the plus icon, it will simply take you to this page, and from here you have to just simply click on the custom experiment, and from here the campaign tab, just choose the display or search. Let's go for the search form now. And once you are done with this, then you have to just simply put in your experiment name and campaign's name like there, and then you have to just simply click on the save and continue. And after that it will simply show you the display experience or the experiment that you would like to see. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.